Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you glimpses of Diamond Jubilee Jamboree.
Hello everyone, I am Scout Anshuman Jakhad from India. I am a scout and messenger of peace. Today I am going to tell you about the Diamond Jubilee Jamboree held in Trichy, Tamil Nadu from
28th January to 3rd February.
A Diamond Jubilee marks 75 glorious years, a journey filled with learning, leadership and service. On this Diamond Jubilee year, this Jamboree is an opportunity to reflect on our achievements, strengthen our bonds, and prepare for the future. Through camps, competitions, and interactions, we reaffirm our commitment to the motto, Be Prepared, and our duty towards our nation and society. The Bharat Scouts and Guides was officially formed in 1950, when various scout and guide groups across India merged after independence. However, scouting in India has a longer history. Introduced in 1909 during the British rule, it gained momentum as a movement for young boys and girls to keep development, discipline skills and a spirit of service. Organizing this grand event required months of planning, teamwork and dedication. Scouts and guides from across the country have gathered here to showcase their talents, share experiences and learn from one another. This Jamboree features skill-based activities, leadership workshops, adventure sports and cultural exchanges all over the country that reflect the diversity and unity of our country. We are privileged to have the fifth generation of Lord Baden-Powell, Mr. David Robert Baden-Powell, a true inspiration for youth, gracing this occasion. Their presence reminds us of impact scouting and guiding have on shaping responsible citizens. We had Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu as our chief guests. As we celebrate this milestone, let us remember that scouting and guiding is more than just an organization. It is a way of life. It teaches us self-reliance, teamwork and most importantly, the power of service. The journey does not end here. It continues with each one of us carrying forward the values of truth, duty and honor. Let us pledge to keep the spirit of scouting and guiding alive and work towards a better and brighter future for our nation. Thank you and happy scouting.
Now it's the time to enjoy the glimpses of Diamond Jubilee Jamboree.
Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. Wow, what a thing. My first day of Jamboree. We entered Jamboree on 27 January 2025 and with this our first day was spent in understanding Jamboree. My day 2 of Jamboree. On the second day of Jamboree, Diamond Jubilee Jamboree was inaugurated by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri Udayanithi Stalin, in which information about some practical things was given along with cultural programs. And with this, our second day ended with a wonderful night program campfire. My day 3 of Jamboree. Today we were very excited because adventure was started today, in which I did archery and shooting. While doing all this, we visited the Jamboree in the evening and our third day ended with the wonderful night campfire. My day 4 of Jamboree. This day of Jamboree was very good for me because I enjoyed the market there, and this day especially the food was very amazing, in which I enjoyed coconut water and idli sambar. And I had the good fortune of meeting the 5th generation of Baden-Powell, the father of scouting. And with this, our one more day ended with today's international cultural program. My 5th day of Jamboree. Today our 5th day started with our Rajasthan cultural program and exhibition related to scouting. Many types of items were displayed in the exhibition which were quite attractive. After this, in the afternoon, all the team participating in the Jamboree displayed their cultural table dogs, which was mind-blowing scene.
So guys, we have a guide from Jaipur. This name was Diva, and she would explain all the things in the exhibition. So I am requesting you, please explain all the things with a loud voice.
Here are the different kind of badges. The old badges, 1907 to 1960. The old badges, treasurer badges, secretary badge, commissioner pin. Here are the badges of the Pakistan and India division. You can see the badges of 1970 to 1960. You can see the badges 1927 to 1960. You can see the new badges of the Scouts and Guides, Rover and Rangers, Cub and Bulbuls, of the Jamborees, events and many other things. You can also see the badges of President, President badge, Governor badge, and many other events. You can see the badges of Cub Observer badge, Cub Signaler, and many more. Thank you.
These are the awards won by the Scout and Guide of Rajasthan. The award of 15th National Jamboree held in Haridwar, Uttaranchal. And this is the award of the National Convention Field Competition won by the Guide Wing. We have more awards. This is the award of the 18th National Jamboree held in Rohat, Pali. This is the book of the Upra Rashtrapati Award Competition logbook made by the Ranger Rover. Whatever they done whole year, right in this after world. And this is the award of the 17th National Jamboree held in Mysore, Karnataka. We have some number increased census award of every section, Ranger, Rover, Bulbul and everything. This is the book of Pradhan Mantri Shield Pratyogita made by the Scout and Guide. And we have some beautiful memories with our president. She is the first woman from the Adivasi community. Now she is leading the India. And you can enjoy the exhibition. Thank you.
Myself Vidushi Sharma. I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur. I am here to explain the exhibition.
Okay.
So this is post-agent tickets representing different eras of scouting and guiding. Here we have the painted of over clay pots, also known as matkas, to spread awareness of different kind of problems that India is facing, such as saying no to plastic, saving energy, doing yoga, saving tobacco, and much more. This is Maharana Pratap, a sculpture of Maharana Pratap, who is our real hero of Rajasthan. This sculpture is made by hand by one of our scouts, and he is made of all out of waste materials. Above we have all the newspaper cuttings of different services and different activities that we have done to raise awareness, such as raising awareness for AIDS, donating blood, working in the Shri Khatu Shyamji Mandir. Here we have handicrafts down here, made from wood, hand woven, pottery, made from ice cream sticks there also. This is made from plastic, also made from waste materials. Here we have glass painting, pottery paintings, and this is also hand woven. Above, when you'll see, you'll find wind shimmers and dream catches. Here we have glimpses of state level prize distribution. Behind you, we have the Sri Ganeshi stickers. We originally had 551, but we had to cut short because we didn't have much space. These three are made out of POP, also known as plaster of Paris. These might look like sticks, but this tests your creativity. You can find out how different kind of animals, gods, creations, and much more. Like this makes Sri Ganeshi. This Sri Ganeshi is like the face and then the trunk. So this tests your brain's creativity of how many animals you can make up. This PNGC program, which stands for National Green Corps, which helps birds, animals, growing plants, saving water and much more. Moving ahead to them.
Thank you so much, Sharmari.
Most welcome.
Here you can see it is an electric circuit in which I have made two poles which is supporting the copper wire, a key, a switch where the connecting wires eligible. So if I turn on the switch, the current will go through from this and also through the keys as the key is connected to the switch. So as the key have the loop of copper, and copper is a good conductor of electricity. If I touch this copper to this copper, the current will transmit all the way through this wire, and this wire is connected to the copper wire. So the electric current will go through this green wire and the bulb will glow like this. As you can see now,
Thank you so much for explaining me a lot. Wishing you a very happy day.
Thank you.
That's why I visited all the exhibition in the Jamboree on the last day, and I participated in the campfire on the last day, and my journey did not end with this. This day of Jamboree journey were very good, which cannot be described in words. It can only be felt. So with this, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Scouting. Hopefully you like this video and get some knowledge about Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. Share this video and subscribe our channel for getting more video related to scouting events and unique vlogs. Give your feedback in the comment box and let us know on which topic you want to make video. Thank you.